Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Doop, shooby-doo-doo. You got a corkscrew penis, and how you mate's pretty. That's weird.
Let's talk about ducks. Lots of people love ducks. Many of us have fond memories of going down to the pond and feeding our shitty, stale leftover bread to the local population of eager ducks. And let's face it, ducklings are basically the cutest, fluffiest, most adorable little animals ever. Yes, you are. Yes, no, you are. But I think it's time that we had a talk about the ducks and the bees. You see, when a daddy duck wants to have sex with a mommy duck and make little baby ducks, he takes his home with a burger. Took a long time. Sorry. Let me explain that in a more scientific manner. Most birds are pretty unassuming in how they mate. They don't have external genitalia like mammals. They just kind of rub their swollen cloaca together. Ducks, however, are different. They have exceptionally long penises.
What the f?
In fact, one species, the Argentine blue-billed duck, holds the record for second longest penis versus body ratio. Male and female ducks have been engaged in a genitalia arms race. While some duck couplings are a result of a consensual match, many male ducks spread their seed through forced copulation. This puts them in control over whose genes get passed on. In any species that faces forced copulation, the females tend to develop creative ways to keep the males at bay. The penis of a duck is shaped kind of like a corkscrew. It's also ridged and has many backwards-facing spines. This helps keep the female from getting away during copulation. To counter this, duck vaginas have adapted. They're equally long and twisted, and many female ducks have a number of dead-end side pouches that don't lead to the uterus. So if a male duck's genitalia takes a wrong turn during the mating process, he fails at inseminating his target. Other female ducks have developed counter corkscrews, which go the opposite way of the duck's penis, thereby further increasing the difficulty of entry. These adaptations work like a natural chastity belt, keeping unwanted sperm away from their eggs. But wait, there's more! The male duck's genitalia have developed their own way of countering those countermeasures. Their penises become erect in a process called explosive eversion. Their junk goes from 0 to ejaculation in a little over a millisecond. Don't believe me? Here's a high-speed video brought to you by the premier duck penis researcher, Dr. Patricia Brennan. Duck penises become erect during entry, not before like us. So this explosive eversion allows them a better chance at getting through some of those backward corkscrews. Although, Dr. Brennan's research showed that the more complicated the vagina, the less chance the drake had at successful insemination. You might be wondering, but what if the duck actually wants to mate with a drake? Don't worry. Female ducks have a way of positioning their bodies that makes the drake's job a lot easier. And given that only 3% of duck offspring are the result of forced copulation, these adaptations are clearly working, which is pretty cool. Now that I've disturbed you and thoroughly ruined your innocent and carefree view of ducks, it's time for an important reminder. Although humans are animals, applying human morals to a non-human animal is just silly. You shouldn't love ducks any less because they're terrifying corkscrew-dicked rapists. You should love them more because evolution is fascinating and reproductive biology is fascinating. And we all love penises. And quite frankly, we're all dicks.
Thank you for watching the first episode of Your Favorite Animal is a Dick. If you like this, please subscribe for more. Or if you want to see more episodes like this happen in the future, go to our GoFundMe page. I couldn't do it without support from viewers like you. Too many ducks, too many ducks. Too many ducks, too many ducks. Too many ducks, too many ducks. Too many ducks, too many ducks.